Oh my gosh. At eto na naman po kami. Lalayasan naman kami ng Chetwynd. And we're going to Dawson. Si Lola. Oy, Daddy, stop daw. Si Lola nagtatanong ng grocery store. Ang daming mga bus, oh. Grabe.
Wala.
It's the camping season.
Motorcycle, oh.
Look at those buses. I don't know where they go. Hindi kaya mga na ano to? Mga nasulugan? Hindi naman.
Iyaman. Iyaman, oh.
Ang dami, oh.
Kung magkakakumpara yan. Yung pinakamahirap, pinahuli.
Ay, hindi siya kasali. Wow! Look, ang daming buses dito sa amin, no? Nag-stop over sa Chetwynd. Ano kaya meron? Ano kaya meron? Oh, look at the buses. Lipat na sila ng Chetwynd? Oo nga. Okay. Today is June 7th. And we're going to Dawson. It's a beautiful day of Saturday and we're going to Dawson Creek. Kasi meron silang Fairyahan, sabi niya. Fairyahan in Dawson. Let's go. So, andito si Raphael. Say hi! Okay, Asher. But first,
sa mabilis lang na.
punta mo na. Spider-Man?
Ikaw? Gusto mo?
Asher Spider-Man.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Ano?
Saglit lang, hindi ko napunta niya kahapon.
Kunin ko lang yung kuha lang tayo ng mga letters sa post office. Tingnan natin kung anong mabubunot nating letter. Is it letter A? B, C, or D? Multiple choice pala dito. Okay. Canada Post. So there, this is our post area. So dito nilalagay yung mga natanggap namin parcel, letters. So ano na nga number ko? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Daldal ng daldal eh. Let's see. Ooh, may bagong libro si Paing. So wala nang laman. Ayan. Kita mo ba yan? Yun lang. Okay. Ayan. Isa dyan ang aking mga, isa dyan ang aking P.O. Box. So, kapag may nakikita kayong P.O. Box, dito nilalagay yung mga letters. Ayan. May malalaki, may maliliit. Ayan. So, may nakuha akong letters. Ay, karamihan pala ang nalagay dito flyers. Tapos si Raphael, may nakuha na naman book. Dito sa Canada, may libreng book ang mga bata. tinor ko yung mga tao sa ano. Video. Tinor ko sila sa post office. Okay, let's go. Raphael, look, I got a new book. Raphael, oh, it's the Big Bear Hug. Wow, it's a big version. Meron kami nitong book na to from McDonald's. And this one is a big version. Look, we got a new book. It's a bear book. Let's open. Let's open this. Canada. Woo. It's so nice.
Sitwasyon ng Pilipino sa Canada.
Sitwasyon.
Ay, pamagat yan eh.
Shout out. Raphael, you got a new book. There you go. Shout out. Here. Yeah, sure. Naubos na yung yogurt ni Paeng. Hindi pa tayo nakarating ng Dawson. Tirahan dito sa Canada ang malulupit. May apartment. Ito, mas malupit ang apartment yun. Ganda, no? Bagong building. Oh my gosh, ang trend. Coco Martin in the house. Siya po ay naka-jersey.
Hindi na malak ni apo niya.
Ay, meron siyang lemonade stand.
Hindi na apo niya.
Yung apo ni Mayor. So, bili na kayo. Andun. Meron siyang lemonade stand. Sa tapat ng bahay nila.
Si Paeng, pag titindahin ko lemonade dyan sa tapat ng bahay.
Kalabanin mo si Pab.
Ipons cream. Ang mas matindi kay Paeng, shake.
Nagbabasa na si Paeng.
Fruit shake.
Fruit shake.
Matindi kay Paeng. Alagyan natin ang mahabang cord.
Baka hanapan si Paeng ng license, ha?
Hindi, si Paeng yun. Hanapan pa.
Paeng's fruit shake.
Mas matindi. Upgraded lang yung lemonade pa.
Oo. Ano bang flavor ng fruit shake ang gusto nyo? Ako okay na ako sa mango. Kaso good luck sa paghahanap ng mangga dito.
So magagas muna tayo, diretso na.
So magagas muna daw kami para dire-diretso na. Inulit ko rin sinabi niya. Ito muna kami sa chef. Ay, no, doon, no. So ay muna Chetwin. Kayo muna bahala dito. So ang Chetwin ay very busy today. We're having the chainsaw carving.
Bukas last day, di ba?
Bukas ang last day. Chainsaw carving. Kita niyo yung mga carving later. So, tomorrow na lang kami pupunta. See you tomorrow. So, it's a beautiful day of Saturday. Yun lang. It's mausok. Is it mausok? Hindi naman halata. Pero there are several wildfires happening around BC, Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan. Kaya naman sana magkaroon ng ulan para mabawas-bawasan yung mga wildfire sa paligid. Okay, let's go. Month of June na, summer na. Sabi, saan ka pa kaya kami pupunta nitong June? Hindi ko pa tapos i-edit yung Dinosaur Museum. Napatungan na ng Dawson Fair. Fairyahan. The helicopter, the forestry crew are working. It's the carnival.
Let me hear you scream if you want to go faster. Look out, here we go.
Whoa, we're here at Dawson's Fair. Look, Asher. Look at that. There's a spaceship. Family Dragon Coaster. Ayan na si Daddy. Ano sasakyan mo dyan, Asher? Oh. Let's go. Ganto. Gugu Gaga. Look, Raphael. Hang glider. Kita mo yan? Ayos ah. Let's buy tickets. Okay, we got the ticket. Let's go. We're going on our first ride. Right, Asher?
Yung first ride.
Okay, again.
Yung first ride namin ay haunted house.
Haunted house. Look, haunted house. That's the haunted house. Let's go. Aren't you scared?
Ano?
Oh my God. Let's go. Okay, here's our seat. Saan tayo? Sa likod. Tayo sa likod. Mahirap na. Baka abutin tayo dito ng mga multo. Ayan sila, Daddy. Ooh, spooky. Spooky.
Parang yung airplano ng seatbelt.
Ah! Mandar na.
Okay.
Okay, buckle up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the haunted house. There's Daddy.
Record ka mabuti.
Opo. Bye-bye. We're going to the haunted house. Start. Can't see anything. I can't see anything. We're moving, but oh my gosh, we stopped! Oh my gosh, Asher, ba't nandito tayo?
It's silent.
Okay. We're moving again. Okay. Okay. Yay! What's that? Oh, I see. Spooky.
Oh, I think that's it. I think that's it.
That's it? Oh my gosh.
Please naman yun.
Parang walang nangyari. Yun na yun. Natakot ka na ba doon, Asher?
Hindi.
Hindi siya nakakatakot. Grabe. Puro ano lang siya, puro windows.
Ang bilis naman yun ng duration na to.
Kaya nga. Alam mo naman nakitang Dracula. Ano ba yan?
Na-expecting ko yung ng job scare na yun.
Ang taas na expectation namin. Grabe, natakot ako. So scary.
Takot ka?
So scary. It's like, when you don't pay your BC Hydro, that's it. Mas nakakatakot. Parang gano'n, no? It was scary. So scary.
Akala ko yung sa palabas sa Pilipinas yung
Wala.
Budget meal.
Wala. Wala naka.
Budget meal na.
Madilim lang talaga. Nakita niyo yun? Wala, mas maganda pa rin sa Pilipinas sa mga haunted house. Nag-e-effort yung mga multo dito. Isa na pala. Kaloka. Better than the haunted house, definitely. Okay, woo! Whoa! Hey Asher, open your eyes! Scary. Binabato kami dito. Hinahampas. Wow!
Let's go to the exit.
Hilong. Ah! Ayos. 9 out of 10. Oh, Asher, over here. Hilo na. Thank you. Let's go. Okay naman siya. Very good. 9 out of 10. Ikaw, Asher. Ano masasabi mo? Masaya siya, masaya siya. In fairness, masaya siya. Tsaka kulay pink.
Masaya tayo.
Ang tawag dito ay Tilt a Whirl. Tilt a Whirl. Tilt a Whirl.
Ilaw siya sabi.
Ilaw?
Ilaw.
Okay.
Or ilaw.
Ilaw. Very good to, very good. Maganda tong sakayan na to.
Rated.
Rated 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay, let's find another one.
Rate ko yan ay
How about this one? Look. Pressure. Do this. The dragon. 8.5. 8.5. Okay, Asher. Solo.
Ilan mo yung naka
This one is the Ferris wheel. Oh, this one's nakakatakot. Cliffhanger. That's our next. Okay, Asher? Cliffhanger. This one. Cliffhanger. Ano, Asher? Tama ba? Nakaiga kami dito. Kailangan ko hawakan yung phone. Grabe.
careful ka.
Good luck. Oo nga, paano ko hawakan yung phone?
Ako na.
Hindi, huwag na. Kailan ba nakalabas yung mukha? Ang weird, ang hirap. Kailangan naakyat ka talaga. Ay, dapat pala hindi tayo magkatabi. Dapat to ka sa kabila. Anyways, okay na rin. Okay. Ito ba tayo kakapit? Kakapit ka dito, sa baba. Ito. Ito, mayan. Oh, wow! Lumilipad na pala kami. Wow! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh my god. This is scary. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Whoa! See that? Woo! We're flying! Whoa! Flying! Woo! Grabe, taas. Woo! This one is the cliff glide. We're just flying like a kite. Not bad. Yeah? Yeah, sure. Woo! Not bad. Whoa! I don't know. I'm not sure. But we look like that. See? At kung binababa na po kami, let's go! That's it. I guess that's it. Saya siya. Pwede nating ulitin. Saya ba siya? We're down on the ground. Asher, ano masasabi mo dito sa cliffhanger?
Ang ganda.
Ganda. Rated. Anong rate mo?
8.6.
Ano? This tayo
5
next.
out of 10.
8.5. Next one is...
So before we shoot, we have 2 rules. I have 2 rules. The first rule is don't shoot us. Don't shoot me. The second rule is have fun.
Have fun. Oh, I like this.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, don't shoot her. Okay? Ready? Aim.
So it's single load every time, so you have to move to a different gun.
Okay, next one. Ooh, almost.
Shot right here.
Last shot. Okay, Asher. Almost. Oh, which one you like?
First,
Just hit it
so you can get one of these,
Oh,
or
good job. Wow. 4. That's 4. Next one for Kuya Asher. It's the kite flyer. Let's go. Kuya Asher, let's do this. Ready to go, Kuya Asher. Let's go, Asher. Kuya Asher is trying out this Freak Out 5. Freak Out F5. Ooh, scary. Let's see. Kuya Asher is over there. Look. My gosh. Ready? Raphael's going to try the train. Come on. He's going to try the train. Train. Go away. Over here, Raphael. Over here. Come on. Let's go. Up.
Show me the square on it.
Oh, where's the square?
Here, go ahead.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. The giraffe will sit with you. Okay. Close it. You know how to do it? Okay, thank you. I'll go on the other side. Okay. Thank you. Let's go, Raphael. Whoa. It's bumpy. Whoa, choo-choo. 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 Raphael is riding the train. Oh, actually it is. Train, go away. Come again another day. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Good job, Raphael. Good job. Want to try the car?
Hi, buddy.
Hello there.
How are you?
There you go. Let's try the tractor. Ooh, which one you like? Okay, go. Ah. Oh, you're going for the pink one. Okay, let's go, giraffe. Okay, ready? Wow, come on. How about you, giraffe? Did you have fun? You jump. Whoop. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Let's go. Let's try the dragon. The dragon. Hi, Casher.
Hindi ako lalaro ng yung water.
Wow.
Wow.
Nakakatakot naman yan. Ako natatakot sa kanya eh. Oh, hold tight. Oh my gosh. Saya mo. Hold tight.
Don't get out of that.
Tapang siya.
Out of that ride.
Don't get out of that ride. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Oh my goodness. Wow. Nasa gilid na siya. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello. Oh no. Wow, you're so brave. My goodness.
Okay.
Sit down, sit down. Just sit down. You guys, sit down.
Please sit down.
Sit down only. They're so brave. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Woo! Sit down. Huwag katakot. Ako natatakot para sa'yo, anak. Hold tight, Raphael. Hold tight. Hold tight. Whoa! There you go. Whee! Ang tapang nila. Whee! Oh, go get him. Wow, you're so brave. You're so brave. Galing ah. Dasher. Thank you. Let's go, Giraffe. Come on. Juice. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Nauhaw ding bata eh. Nauhaw ang mga bata.
Ay, Rafael, come over here.
Layas na siya eh. Nag-enjoy mo ako. Ooh, convoy race. You going to ride that one? With Crasher? Ooh. Oh, you wait for your turn, okay? Allowed na talaga. You must be 36 inches tall for this ride. Nauntog pa. Pero masaya na siya. Woohoo! It's the convoy race. Wow! Ah, this is so good. Raphael!
Unlimited.
Yeah. 2 in 1.
Double ride mo.
Yeah nga.
Double ride mo para matuwa.
Oh, bumawi man lang siya.
Bawi mo na sa...
Natamaan yung mukha niya. I know, meron siyang pasa. Tinamaan yung dito niya, nung gate. So, umiyak tuloy ko. Papa! Woohoo! Catching 7 ducks. Go! Okay, 1. Give it to me, give it to me. 1. You're putting back. Catch 7 ducks, Raphael. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 4.
5 more.
5 more. 5.
5 more.
5 more. Wow, you got 3. And more.
Alright, my friend, 2 more.
2 more. Whoa! Wow, that is so many. Good job. Wow, now you got a prize. Raphael, you got a prize.
Good job, my friend.
A pick-up prize.
I just believe my favorite part to let everybody know that kids win a prize every time you're at Lucky Duck Pond.
Which one you like?
All you have to do is pluck a duck. and turn it over to a
He
just want to catch the...
Not to win, to play.
That's okay. That's a cute one.
to the prize you can win.
Acha, wait.
Tapang mo.
Automoto yung isa. Isa automoto.
Ganyan-ganyan lang din tayo dati. Nahampas na ng nag-rides pa din. Umiyak lang. Wow. Ito, ayoko na nito. At sa katawan niya.
Bakit?
Nahampas ka dyan eh. Wow! Ay, wag siya dyan, Asher! Ah, pwede siya dyan? Okay, sige. Wow! Ang cute niya naman. Love ng kuya yan eh. Bye. Baka ng mga anak natin eh. Kaya na mag-alagaan.
Ha?
Kaya na mag-alagaan.
Apat yan. Ito mga apat.
Apat. Rafael! Hi!
Hi!
Hi! Reggie, hi!
Ladies and gentlemen.
How high this? Oh my gosh. It's very, very high. Kahit mo yung may pakala dun. Wow, grabe. Napakatay. Oh my God. lang. Hindi na ako dyan. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko.
Say hi.
Scary. There is. Oh my God.
Tapos si Asya.
Nasa taas na, ayun o. Parang wala lang ah. Oh my goodness.
Ano yung wheel tayo? Ano yung wheel tayo?
Sulit yung bayad mo, Paeng. Gosh. Bakit ako sasakay dyan?
Para ka pinukul. Balik pa.
It's a beautiful, right?
Para ka pinukul.
Oo nga, actually, parang hinahampas ka na lang sa mga rides eh. Parang hinahampas ka sa mga rides. Siguro, age na rin.
Nasuzoom mo?
Hindi ko na i-zoom. Zoom.
Ayoko na. Para ka aeroplano niya.
Malala pa sa aeroplano ka mo. Miss Kuya Asher.
Pwede na magpiloto. Pag matapang ka na.
Oh. Awesome!
Panis na kaya Asya rin.
Panis. Alimaw.
Nung una lang din na tayo, nag-rides tayo sa Mission Road. Natatakot siya.
Natatakot pa siya. Oh. Ngayon, malupit na. Good to go! Parang wala lang, no?
Ano, okay?
Okay.
Kasi day, no?
What's the rating?
So, very extreme? Sit down.
That's extreme. What's the rating? Huh?
9.5 out of
9.5. Oh, good job, Speed.
Opry, oh. Si Opry.
9.5 out of 10.
Ori, huh?
Again, 9.5 out of 10.
9.5.
Actually, you played it before, right? Sabi mo.
Awesome. This one looks cool. Muddy grass. Bawal ka maarawan?
Nangingitim ako.
Nangitim ka.
Sayang naman ang aking papaparay ko.
What?
Ayun din yun eh. Binago lang nila eh.
Mas okay yan.
Parang maze na lang yun, maze.
Oh, maze nga.
Kaya mahal yan, baka mapapawala na.
Waiting for Rafael. Wow! Aba naman talaga. Dalawa pa kayo. Good job, Kuya Asher. Moink! Tayo! Go get!
Okay, kasi nakukunin mo, baka pumasok ulit sila.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
One last ride. One last ride for today. Kuya Asher na masipag mag-rides.
Duyan lang pala yun eh. Anchors away. Another level. Frenzy. That's it. Ay na yun. Okay.
Malupit na duyan lang pala yan. Frenzy.
So, let's go. May Walmart pa tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Nos na.
How was it, Kuya Asher? What's the rating?
Mas matindi yun sa taas.
8.5.
Let's go. We'll go to Walmart.
Let's go, let's go. We're done here. 5 na yata. I'm so tired na. Let's go. Let's go home. Ang gaganda na. In fairness, ang gaganda ng ride. And we're done with our fall, spring fair in Dawson
Very yeah.
today. Fairyahan. At nag-enjoy ang Kuya Asher. Sobra.
Tapang kuya.
Tapang nito. Grabe. Sinakyan niya lahat ng hindi niya pa nasasakyan. Including that frenzy and speed. Grabe yun. Napakataas nun. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Sabi ko. Sige na. Magkita-kita lang tayo sa Chetwin.